third plus 1/4, right? Very basic fractions, but we're going to use this to add and use this in a variety of ways. So over here, this is a common denominator method. So of course, 3 times 4 is going to be your denominator, right? And then you multiply this by 3, so you get 1 times 3, which is 3. 1 times, you multiply this by 4, my bad. And 1 times 4 is 4. And then you multiply this guy by 3, so you have 3 here, so you get 7 over 12. Okay, so that's going to be your answer. Let's see what we can do about this. So you've got 7 over 12. Now let's try to think about this problem. 1 over x plus 2 over x plus 1. Do it the exact same way. This was 3 here, this was 4, right? So the common denominator is going to be x times x plus 1. And what do you think is the numerator? So I'm waiting for you to give me the answer to the numerator. Yes, so you're going to multiply this, you're going to get x plus 1, and then you're going to get 2x. So when you add these, you're going to get x plus 1 plus 2x. So you combine these, so x plus 2x is 3x. And then you write down 1 over here. So that's going to be your expression, right? And that could be a legit SAT problem, okay? Now for those who want a little bit more of a challenge. So I'm going to give 2 problems here, and well done. Nice. Yes. Excellent. Excellent, excellent, excellent. So I'm glad some of you are responding well. Some of you are probably not responding. You can chat. Let me know or chat if you have any questions. But let's move on to this problem now. How would you, what do you think is the answer to maybe 2 over 3 over 5? Okay, what do you think is this going to be equal to? So once again, I'll wait for you for maybe 30 seconds and see how you do on this. Remember, this can also be written as 2 divided by 3 over 5. Okay, a very standard way to think about this. And then what do you do when you have a division? Well done. Some of you are doing well. Yes. Waiting for a few others. So when you see a division, you're going to multiply it by 5 over 3. So it's going to become 10 over something like this. Okay. So now that you've got this, let's work on this particular type of a problem. Okay. Now this one is a bit complicated, but let's see how we work on it. Okay. So 1 over 1 over x minus 1 plus 1 over x plus 1. So this looks complicated. Look at the denominator first. Okay, just look at this denominator and try to find out what the value is. Okay, so let's try to find out this value first. And once you find it, then it becomes easy because you just got to 1 over that. So work on this and see what you get. Let's spend maybe 30 seconds on this type of problem. Like, how do you simplify this guy? Okay, so the way you're going to simplify this is you're going to write down the common denominator, which is this guy times this. So it's going to be x minus 1 times x plus 1. Okay, and then this numerator is multiplied by x plus 1 here, and this guy is x minus 1, and let's not forget to copy down this plus here. Okay, now x plus 1 plus x minus 1, so you cancel out this one with this one. So you're left with 2x, okay? So let's write it down a bit better. 1 divided by, I'm just copying this down over here, 2x over x minus 1, x plus 1. Well done. Well done. Well done, Michael. So nicely done. Okay, and now you can write this as 1 divided by 2x, x minus 1, x plus 1. Okay, now because you got the division sign, you're going to flip it. So you get this value here, and so this is going to be your correct answer. Okay, the relatively hard problem, but I think you've done, at least some of you are able to solve it very well. So that's good. Now, what we